So this video is only going to address the reason number 2 of why DNA alone destroys the evolution theory, which is DNA components. Reason number 1, DNA cannot develop over time. When Darwin wrote the evolution theory, we knew nothing about DNA, literally nothing. Now the entire genome is mapped out. Now it's scientific fact. No one's debating that the entire genetic code is present at the moment and instant of conception. Now that we understand that, evolution should be off the table. The whole conversation of evolution is developing and changing slowly over billions of years. We now realize that's an irrelevant point now that we realize DNA does not develop over time. Number 2, the DNA components destroy evolution theory. If you look at how highly integrated the core DNA, the core body plan DNA, that's the part of DNA that says what species we're looking at, not the peripheral DNA, not the outside that's blonde hair, tall, the different features. No, the core DNA body plan that says I'm human, if you were to read my DNA code, that is so highly integrated, it cannot be changed at the microscopic level without shutting down. So we know that the components of DNA do not develop over time. That was reason number 1. They don't develop over time and slowly change. They're all present in their entirety in a single moment. But we also know that they can't be changed. So once they're completely present in that single moment, the core DNA is so highly integrated, the components are so highly integrated, they can't tolerate even a microscopic level of change or they'd shut down. Evolutionary biologists try and ignore this fact by saying, well, yeah, who knows what could happen with billions of years? I know what could happen with billions of years. It's still not possible. Doesn't matter how slowly you unplug a plug from the outlet. Once it comes out, that computer turns off, that light turns off. This is a principle that we understand so clearly through computer code, software code, DNA code. This is so well understood. It's just hidden and not talked about, because if everyone understood this, we would all understand evolution is not possible. Reason number 3 that DNA components destroy the evolution theory is because it clearly points to a creator. If you need to have nothing exist and then every single aspect of DNA and every component not exist and in a single instant come into existence in its precise entirety, there's no amount of time. There's no amount of luck or randomness. The odds are unfathomable, not possible. It only is possible with a creator. So when you study the components of DNA and how they work together, you see that the components of DNA destroy the evolution theory. Follow me for more 3 reasons to believe on all topics Jesus. My goal is to help Christians more confidently explain, defend, and share their faith with